Welcome back, Nelbies. I know it's been a minute, but let's jump into this unboxing of these nudes that Madam Glam sent me. And these are a perfect nudes for weddings, so let's get into these three colors.
When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know.
These are going to be sheer, so make sure you have enough product on your brush when you're going in for your first coat. I didn't, of course, so I went back in, got enough product on the brush. It is still sheer, but that's the purpose, but you still want to see that pink pigment to it.
It's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride. And I move, and I move when I get so tired of making me take a night. Predicting it's all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that.
Of course, right now, you just can't go wrong with any kind of Barbie pink. And that's what it definitely gave me. Even when it being like a sheer nude color, it still gave me like that Barbie pink French, like, y'all know the pink and whites.
I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess that seasons change.
So just keep in mind these are sheer, but for it to be sheer, these like nudes are giving life. I have a few designs that I'm going to do with them, so just wait on my next video and I'll see you guys there. Thank you guys for watching so much. I'm going to see you on the next one where I give you guys some ideas of what to do with these nudes.